In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an N8n template in Localhost, all in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to streamline your automation workflows, this is a fantastic way to get started with N8n, a powerful workflow automation tool. So let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First things first, you'll want to head over to the N8n official website. If you're not familiar with N8n, it's a versatile tool that allows you to automate a variety of tasks, encompassing numerous applications in a single workflow. This guide will show just how easy it is to import a pre-made template into your local N8n setup. Once you're on the N8n platform, locate and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the Sign In page, where you'll need to enter your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, I recommend doing so. It's a straightforward process and will unlock a host of features N8n has to offer. After signing in, navigate to the N8n dashboard. Here's where all the magic happens. The dashboard is your central hub for creating, managing, and modifying workflows. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're new, but don't worry. With a bit of practice, you'll navigate it like a pro. Next, look for the option to Create Workflow. This is generally easy to find and should be one of the primary options available. Creating a workflow is the initial step in setting up your automation process, and while today we're importing a template, this section is where you'd begin if you were building from scratch. Now, direct your attention to the three-dot icon. Clicking on this will open a menu with additional options. It's like a drop-down hidden gem that gives you access to further functionality within N8n. This step is crucial because it's where you'll find the import function for your workflow template. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select Import from File. This option lets you choose a file from your local machine, making it incredibly convenient to upload pre-configured workflows. If you already have an N8n template you'd like to use, select it from your files, and voila! The template will upload and integrate into your N8n dashboard. And there you have it. You've successfully imported an N8n template into your Localhost setup. This process can save you a lot of time and effort, particularly if you're dealing with complex workflows. Remember, the key to mastering N8n lies in experimenting with different templates and nodes. So don't hesitate to explore and try new things. Thanks for joining me on this quick journey through importing templates in N8n. I hope you found it helpful. Keep an eye out for more tips and tutorials on mastering your automation tools. Happy automating!